Hey, hello, and welcome to Warrior for UPSC blog. So, I hope you guys are doing well, and we are just the end of the year. And একটা খুব জরুরি কথা বলার জন্য আজকে এসেছি, that is most important thing I ever felt in my life. That is how to deal with the people who are telling negative to you, like dealing with the negative thinking and dealing with the negative people. Now, other than that, one more thing I want to cover in today's video, that is regarding UPSC preparation, that how to tame constitution or Indian polity, and with that the Indian economy. These two chapters actually have a big significance in your preparation, and the best thing is that it actually carries a maximum marks in your GS2 and GS3 paper in the mains. But apart from that, one more thing, most of the people we are not acknowledged, because being a Bengali student, being a student from a Bengali medium, I know specifically in West Bengal we don't have that subject in our class 9 to 12. One who are taking arts background, I don't know what is going to happen after the NEP, how the permutation and combination of the subject will be there. But still, I am very sure students who are actually inclined to the science background, they are also not known about the polity and the subject economy. One who wants to go for the commerce background, though they have the ideas of the economics a little bit or moreover, but in case of a student who are from the different background, it is not mandatory for them to read the polity book or economics book. This is why maximum of the student, eventually not only West Bengal, I do have several friends who belongs from Maharashtra, who belongs from Kashmir. Those people have also this problem. Anyhow, after starting their preparation for UPSC, they start doing the classes and they start understanding the classes of polity, but still economy become a very tough job for every single person. Eventually, one secret is there, that is a personal secret, that I was also very much afraid from the economic subject. That time it was really helpful for me to understand the subject properly. So I am going to give some of my opinion, which is solely my opinion, what I used to follow for that, and what a new aspirant should follow according to the newer strategy and according to the syllabus. So let's start the video. Here, first thing I want to deal with, that is the negativities surrounds you. See, either I am from Bengal or you are from Kashmir or Kanyakumari or west, the extreme west, the Gujarat or Kutch se aap ho, it doesn't matter at all. Every sort of person in this world and every sort of aged person, जब से समझना शुरू हो जाता है, the moment they started understanding thing, people have to face the humiliation. The people have to face some insulting things. In any way, the person is lacking some knowledge in something, the person will have to come forward the criticism. And who are criticizing you? It will never happen by a person who himself by profession a critic. Definitely some of your friends, so-called friends, some of your family members, and sometimes if you are trying to put your senses, put your affirmation publicly, then also a person who doesn't even know you, he will also or she will also put some accreditation for you, which will actually make you demotivated. Now, what to do it? Demotivation comes in a two form. Number one, it can be from yourself itself, like you can think of it and you become demotivated, and sometimes the outer force make you demotivated, because people come to you, people will see you and they will tell you that don't do this because it doesn't suit you. Someone will come to you and say don't try to speak in English because you don't know this language. Someone will come to you and say, look at your color, please work with it. Someone will come to you and who can make mock of your articulations, pronunciation, everything. And eventually the resultant comes in this way that you forget every sort of thing right behind and you actually go with the flow, जो सामने वाला इंसान क्या कह रहा है उसके ऊपर. So what is going to happen? There nothing good is coming in front of you. आपके लिए the point what I feel personally that you need to be that much focused about your self confidence and have trust on it, because you are the person who can build up yourself, not the person who is influencing you from the outside. Either the person is known to you or unknown to you, it doesn't matter. Because I told you, till the date, because of my mother tongue influence in my English, I have to face so many of trolls. But literally I am a proud Bengali because I have not been educated from Oxford or Cambridge. I am trying to improving day by day, because for me English is only a mere language, way to communicate one person. And before that also I have been body shamed for several times. I have been body shamed because of my color. I have been body shamed because of my ethnicity. That also happened. But it never ever, no, I will not say it had never ever affected me. That will be 100% lie. But if I can say that had affected me, but now it can never ever touch me, and my self dignity will never be compromised due to this kind of thing. Now you will tell me why. Because end of the day I know what I am doing and what is the purpose of my thing and why I am extending my help to the other people. If the person is not feasible with me, the person is living in the democracy and the person have all right to skip my video, they can do. And that also similar thing happen in case of your life as well. Because if the person suggesting you something and you are not listening to him or her, why the person is wasting their time in your life? Let them go. If a person not giving your sincerities, your originality, that is not being prioritized to them, then what is the point to be in your life? I don't think that person has any rights to be in your life. And why they should not be there? Because that should be acknowledged by you. A human being should be a motivating factor for your life. But a person is coming, the person is telling you something and you are being motivated, your mental peace is being ruined, and the person is actually taking control of your life, it anyway not justifiable. That is personally my opinion. So my request is that when that will come in your mind, that if a negative person is surrounding me and the person is from my family or someone is known to me or unknown को तो छोड़ ही दो कोई, it doesn't matter. But अगर ऐसे हो रहा है तो you will be thinking definitely that how to continue, like how I will move forward. The simple thing, bro, just move on from that person. क्योंकि what I really feel, if you are not doing this thing, you are actually doing injustice to yourself. Or when it is about your self-value, self-realization, self-dignity, when this words comes in your life, then it does mean nothing can be negotiated for that. Because आप जिंदगी में सब कुछ, your life is given by the nature, and you are the person. Without your mother and father, without that medium, you would have never seen the world. And rather than that, the way you are growing up, that is also not under your control. But making yourself, building your self-value, that is in your hand. you definitely should take care of it. And apart from that, you are being a bureaucrat, right? You are going to crack the best of the best examination of India, then you should have the best of the best quality of India. There are 100 crore, there are more than 10 million people living in this country, right? And if everyone, every individual would be the similar category, then everything would have changed. That cannot be possible, because the society will be a mixed bowl. What does mean by mixed bowl? Where all the culture, all the thinking, all the pattern, all the dimension will come and jumble together and will have some own ethnicity in this. So for you guys, I will just suggest you a mixed bowl. In a mixed bowl community, you guys should have that thing in your mind that give liberty to everyone, but just omit those acknowledgement, just omit those vibration which is coming to you and making you disturbed. Just omit those things, because apart from everything, if you are not alive peacefully, you cannot bring peace in your life and surrounds you. So that was the thing, the first segment of the discussion, that is about the how to get rid of negative people. But if you guys want me to make more video on that, please let me know in the comment section, so that I can make those videos in a multiple language. My motivation is that not to change the society entirely, but definitely my motivation is that to have a harmonious society where every person will be well acknowledged in their brain. I am pretty sure people are going to dislike my video again, and I am tahe dil se welcome to them. But still, I know what I am doing is the best, and no one can put me down in that. No one can. Now I will move forward towards our next segment, which is the how to tame polity and economy. First, I will deal with polity. In case of polity learning, I will suggest definitely you two books. One, the both are from the NCERT, and one is the Indian political system and the Indian political theories. These two books are very good. That is, I guess it is class 10 and class 11 politics books. You will get it from the humanities, social, like humanities group, you will get this book. And rather than that, Lakshmikant, I felt the most feasible book for that. Other than these three books, you can even move towards other PM Bakshi, Durga, Didi Basu, and eventually Subhash Kashyap. These books are very good. But personally for me, I felt polity of Lakshmikant has given in such a way so that you can understand this every word, every line in a lucid manner. But before that, I will request you to first go through the content. In the content, 2-3 things you should keep in your mind. First thing, you have to read the polity article wise, then you have to read its schedule wise, and then you have to read its the basis of the division of the society. अब सोसाइटी की डिवीजन की बात जहां पर आती है, द थिंग्स डिफरेंशिएटेड इन टू वे, एक इंडिविजुअल राइट्स, एक गवर्नमेंट राइट्स. ठीक है, तो इंडिविजुअल राइट्स में वट एवर कम्स, वो फंडामेंटल राइट्स से लेकर डीपीएसपी से लेकर एनीथिंग, and the parliament and parliamentary section committees that comes under a several section. So you just have to acknowledge it in a several way, different way. Pehli what I said, first go through the content of the Lakshmikant book. Second, divide your chapters. First, what is about the individual level में क्या क्या है, like I want to say fundamental rights हो गया, fundamental duties हो गया, DPSP हो गया, voting rights हो गया, these things, right? And then I will suggest you to go by the government thing, which will I divide it like the union and territories. India का क्या formation है, this, and the prime minister, what is the table of the president, है ना? गवर्नमेंट की टेबल कैसे बनते हैं, प्रेसिडेंट सबसे ऊपर, फिर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, फिर प्राइम मिनिस्टर, द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर, फिर स्टेट आते हैं, है ना? दिस थिंग आई वांट यू टू first bifurcate your subjects in this way and start in a chunk of paper. ऐसा नहीं है that you will just start your paper reading, like book reading, with one go. You can do that with the NCERT books. You can study your NCERT books in a one go. There it is you are doing, because you just need to read it loud and you need to know what actually been written there. You don't need to understand the things in a vigorous manner. And here, when you will start reading your Lakshmikant, make sure the book should be revised by you multiple times. Because before this video also I have told you, I felt like Lakshmikant is such a book, जितनी बार पढ़ोगे नया कुछ जरूर मिलेगा. ठीक है. Now the second things, that is the basic thing you should start. After that also I will come with a big video जिसमें जो which will be very long, and जिसमें I will be telling every sort of thing how to tame polity. And next topic it is about the economy. अब economy कैसे करनी है? Economy के लिए भी वही प्रॉब्लम है. Now if you start reading economy in a manner, you will directly jump into the definition. Being a first learner, I guarantee you that you never can understand that subject. Now how to tame it? First thing, if you go by the Hindu newspaper and if you go by the Indian Express or Live Mint or the Quint or the Print, all those newspaper, I will suggest you go for the business portion, where the economy related concept or articles are being published. Go there, watch that and try to read that. Now first thing what you will be acquainted with, you will not understand some terms there. मानो कि you have never known about GDP, but you will encounter this thing GDP. You will encounter some terms whenever you will be reading about the RBI policies, repo rate, qualitative tools, quantitative tools. Now my suggestion is that for next 1 month, don't go for economy reading, the book of economy reading. What I will suggest you, just go and every day go by the economical articles and Google it if any word is not known by you. If anything is there, GDP, you are not understanding this term, go and directly Google it. What is GDP? You will get details of it. And then don't need to remember it. Just try to understand what it is been said in the Google information. Now my point is that why you should not remember it, because now a blurred kind of idea is there in your mind. So whenever you will open up legitimate sources for acquiring knowledge for economy, it can be the book of the Nitin Singhania economy, it can be the Mrunal handouts, and eventually it can be the book is being suggested by your teacher to you, or what has you have been found helpful for you. At the time of my preparation, first I studied the Sriram economy, but before that I started my preparation with the classes of Mrunal videos. And without that also, I always had faith on the newspaper articles. So what you are doing with the newspaper articles, you are making yourself compatible with the terms and terminologies of the economy. And after that, when you are reading it from a legitimate source, there you will be understanding the basic concept of it. For making it more clear, just go for whenever you will start your book reading, like your source book, standard book source reading, then you can even refer to any economical channel on YouTube. Okay, so I will refer you a book like the channel from the Mrunal IS or Mrunal Pathak economy. This will be really helpful for understanding it. But one who has problem with the language thing, one who are more comfortable in English or Bengali or other regional languages but not in Hindi, for them I will be suggesting you just go and check thoroughly it from the Google. Because most of the economical section, economical portions, you will get one after one, like one better than another kind of articles which has been published. So don't go for the bigger one. जो आपको समझ में आए छोटा वाला, go for that and just have a fresh idea of it in your mind. And when you will start reading your economy subject, just connect it. All we know, the connecting the dots always works for one person. Eventually, if you are studying or if you are understanding something, and with that way, what will be helpful for you? The way I told you to read the polity section, that will help you in your understanding of the newspaper. And the way I told you to read the economy, here the newspaper reading will be most beneficial way. Like it will have a more beneficiaries in understanding the new subject. So this was the video for today. I hope I have tried to extend my help towards you. The more I know, जितना मुझे पता है उतना ही मैंने आपको कहा. That has been tested and proven by me. So I cannot say कि ये आपके लिए भी काम कर सकता है. I am just giving you a fair idea on it. And this is the reason I want you to do it. And if it is not been affiliated by you, make it in your way. And other than that, I am going to start something new with Maluka IAS as well. Please visit their channel, Maluka IAS, on the YouTube platform, so that you can get the NCERT Geography and NCERT History, total class 6 to class 12 classes free of cost there. And other than that, please keep supporting, because your loves, your passions and your respect towards me was enormous to feel. It actually heals a lot. So thank you everyone. Love to you all, and Jai Hind.